Take a ride in the 2018 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, security system, electronic stability control, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.